These are the elevators at Foster Zero in Green Tree, Pennsylvania. These are some Schindler 330A elevators with HD fixtures. And the left one's here, car 1, Case 59's elevators. Installed in 2017. This building must be brand new. We'll go up to 3. Nope. 2 works now. Here we go up. Here 2. I didn't realize this building was this new. Back on the one either that or these elevators and or building were redone. Obviously 3's locked like that. Just your standard standstill cap. I thought I wouldn't have been able to go anywhere on these, but we're all the way up to 2. That's your manages it. Back at 1. Rather basic, if you ask me. Not really that special. These are so new. Close this and that's gonna be it.